My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called Puspa2. Puspa2 is a new ransomware attacking Windows computers today. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I will just show you what can happen with the files after they get contaminated by this particular ransomware. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without any complications. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Puspa2 ransomware may be pretty easily injected. Obviously, the fact that this ransomware has been injected into your computer means that your existing security software just failed to protect your files ahead of time. So pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore because of this ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware adds this special extension. It begins with Puspa2 and then some other data is also added. The same extension is appended to all other files. The ransomware also changes the desktop background into this one, and the ransomware note also says that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, then click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely, the software should first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on your computer. Based on the summary of threats, certain infections can be always removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.